Hey there, quick review on these 182 LED motion activated solar powered lights. These are a very bright, nice little light, super easy to install. So very basic design. They're going to mount to the side of your building, wall, whatever it may be. You just got two screw hole areas up here where you'll mount those. So it's only going to take a couple seconds to actually install these. And the solar panel is automatically going to be oriented pointing up, so it'll capture that sunlight. So this unit has a couple different modes. Here I'm on mode 3. So with this mode, this is just simple motion detection mode. So the light is going to stay off at night if it doesn't detect motion. So it just turned off because there's no motion. I've got the solar panel covered up so it thinks it's night. There it detected motion, so it turned back on again, and then that will stay on for 15 seconds after the motion leaves and shut off. So now the unit is completely off. Now we're in mode number 1, which is going to turn the unit on at night, and the light is going to stay on until the battery is depleted. Now this isn't quite full brightness like we saw in mode 3, so you are going to get a little bit more battery power and longevity with the light. And then here we are in mode 2. So in this mode, the light is going to be on dim, and then it's going to detect motion. It'll turn on full blast. Whenever it detects the motion leaves, it'll stay on for 15 seconds and then revert back to dim light mode. So there we are back on dim mode. Motion again, it's going to turn back on to bright. So I wanted to do a quick video. This is on dim mode. This is mode number 2. So the light is on. Now we give it some motion. It turns on full blast. Really lights up the area nicely. It's completely pitch black down here otherwise. So you're seeing quite a bit of light here. I've got the other light set up. Again, it's on dim mode. It detects motion, and you can see it really lights up the area nicely. The camera isn't quite doing it justice. Dim mode does throw out more light than the camera is showing, but again here, that bright mode really throws off a nice amount of light. Overall, I think these lights are excellent. They throw off a ton of light. They're very responsive to whether it is light or dark outside, turns on and off really well, detects motion well. Easy to install, a couple of screw holes up here, and then easy to select between those different modes with the single push button back there. Overall, great product, throws off a ton of light. I'd highly recommend it.